Hi, in this video I will show you how to change your verification email on the Discord. So process is pretty simple. If you want to change your verification email on the Discord, then simply you have to follow this procedure. So first of all, you have to open your Discord on your laptop or the computer, or you can use desktop version or the web version of the Discord to do it. So right now I am on the desktop version of desktop application of the Discord. You have to log into your account. I have already logged into my account. So once you will do it, now you have to simply click on the user settings right here, tap on it, and you will see your profile is here, and you have to click on the my account from here. And once you will click on the my account, you will see email here. So right now you have to click on the edit, and here you have to enter a new email address and your existing password. So here you have to enter the new email on which you want to get a verification code by the Discord, and here you have to enter the password, the current password of your Discord, and after that click on the done. And once you will click on the done, your verification email of the Discord will be changed. So in this way you can change your verification email on the Discord. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.